be wondering where my dress is, my outfit, my little sweetie bitty boo. I removed it because it's sweating in the UK. If I'm sweating IRL, I must also not have the ability to sweat in VTubing. Yes. Yes. Anyway, this appeared on my home feed, and apparently this motherfucker has made a sequel, so... Also, I mean it, like, 11 hours old. Like, this is 11 hours old. Like, they made this shit, like, recently. So, during the sweatness of the UK, which is why I have not been doing that many reactions, because I feel like I'm gonna die any second now. To the point that there are actual wildfires happening in the UK, which is not common at all. It may be common for you motherfuckers, but it ain't common for us, so shut up. Anyway.
She dances in the sheets at night. She dances to his needs. She dances till he feels just right until he...
It's like two bros hanging out.
She dances at the crack of dawn.
Two gay mates. They be dancing. Look at them.
She can't be late, can't take too long. The kids must get to school. Stay to the rhythm. Stay to the rhythm. Stay to the rhythm. Stay to the rhythm. She works so hard just to make her way for a man to just don't appreciate. And she takes her love in vain.
Is this gonna end with her, like, is this gonna end with Yuri? Please tell me this is gonna end with Yuri. Oh my god! What the fuck? Hey! Oh, it didn't end with Yuri. I'm so sad. She just got fucking thrown into the atmosphere. I thought it was gonna end with Yuri. Oh, I'm so sad now. I didn't realize it was just gonna be like her just getting fucking thrown into existence. Like, fucking look at this shit. She fucking drop kicks his ass. I've never listened or heard, I don't know. I've never heard the song at all, so I genuinely do not know if that scream was added in or it's just part of the song, because... That's beautiful, that's amazing, just thrown into the fucking atmosphere. I thought it was gonna end with Yuri, no. It would have been nice. But being thrown into the atmosphere is kind of funny.